Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. I am Damilare Oladele. In today's video, I will show you how you can generate and download the favicon on any website onto your computer. Now, I know someone might be asking that what is the usefulness of downloading the favicon on a website? If you are a website designer, or you are a developer, or you are a UI and UX designer, or you are into any creative work on the internet, you might have the reason to download the favicon on any website for your project. And I have few reasons why it might be necessary for you to get the favicon of a website. The first one is on website branding. If you want your users to identify your website with a particular thing, part of that thing that will be used to identify your website is the favicon. So you might want to get the favicon of a website so that you can pattern yours after the favicon. Then, if you are a designer, like I said, you can download the favicon of your website that you have previously built offline, and you can integrate it to different parts of other projects. For example, if you are designing graphics for such a website that you might have uploaded before, or you are creating a presentation concerning the website, your favicon might actually be useful in that project. Another reason that might necessitate you downloading the favicon of a website is if you are creating an add-on or a browser extension, you want to see how it interacts with what you are creating. So you might actually need to download the favicon of your website. Another reason is while creating bookmark on your computer, you might like to customize your bookmark on your device. So you download the favicon of a particular website just for identification purpose. And the last reason I'm going to talk about is the reason of testing and development. Part of the things that developers and website testers might need to do is to download the favicon so that they can use it in their testing and development process. And that ensures that the favicon displays accurately the way it should while working on the website development. So I'm going to show you what favicon means for those who might be asking, what is a favicon? According to this website, a favicon is a small icon or collection of icons that is associated with a website, a web page, or a web application, and then it is displayed within the browser tabs and bookmarks bar. Examples of favicon include the ones that are shown on the screen right here. So for Google, you will notice this small G logo. That is the favicon. And for Reddit, this is their favicon right here. Okay, and for this particular tab that I am on presently, you can see the screen right here. This is a favicon, okay, this F icon. And either you like it or not, it has come to be a part of our website, okay, and our web applications. And people use favicon for various reasons. Part of the reasons why I use favicon personally is for the purpose of branding. You know, I as a website developer, I particularly hate something when I get to a website and I discover that the logo on the website is actually not consistent with the favicon that is used. There are many websites that I visited in the past, and what I noticed is the fact that these people use a very beautiful logo and they have a consistent brand color and write-up on their website. But then the favicon that they have on their website is still the default WordPress logo on their favicon. You know, that is not good enough. So if you are a developer or you are a creator, you have to note this. And now let's go straight to how you can download Favicon on your device from any website at all. And in this video, I am going to show you two methods. In case you do not like the first method, you are free to proceed to use the next method. So guys, the first method in downloading the favicon of any website would be for you to use a Chrome browser extension. Okay, so permit me to go to the Chrome store right now. Okay, Google Chrome extension. Okay, I'm going to go to the Google Chrome extension store, and here it is on the first link. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to type this get favicon. Right, I am going to search for that extension called get favicon. Okay, let me filter by extension, and here you can see a particular extension showing up titled get favicon. All right, so I am going to open in another tab right away, and then here is the page for the extension. Okay, you can see it has 5-star ratings already from previous users. All right, and then when we scroll down, you can see this extension displays the current page's favicon as well as the favicons URL and dimensions. All right, so the next thing you want to do right now is to click on add to Chrome. Okay, so you give it permission, add extension. Voila, you can see get favicon has been added to Chrome. Okay, now the next thing you should do is actually to note this icon, because immediately I close this pop-up, now this icon is going to disappear. So I will now need to add it manually onto my browsing tab. Okay, so when I click on close, it disappears, but don't worry yet, it is not gone, it is still on my computer. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this particular icon on your browser which says extensions. So I'm going to click it and look for what we just added right now, and when you scroll down a little bit, I have it here, get favicon. So I'm going to pin it on my browser, and immediately I click on this pin icon, you can see it has appeared here forever. Now what I can do is to move it. If I like, I can move the position. I have just moved the position of this icon from the last onto the very first here. Okay, now the next thing I am going to do is to see how it works. I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to open a new browsing tab and go to a particular website. So let me go to my website. Okay, I am going to go to my website and test this browser extension if it works accurately. All right, so here is my website, and I am going to go ahead and click on this icon here. So let's do it together. Click on the icon, and here you can see the favicon being displayed, and it is not only the favicon that is being displayed. You can see the URL of the favicon here, and you can also see the dimension of the favicon here. Right, so to get this favicon, what you want to do next is to open this link in a new browser tab. You can see it is just as simple as that. Here is my favicon, and if I want to save this, what I want to do next is to right click and click on save image, and then I will be able to get it saved on my device. So the image has been properly saved. To open the image, I'm just going to click on it, and now you have it on the screen. You can see it. It is just as simple as ABC. All right, but if you do not want to use the first method that I've just shown you, there is other alternative. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the other alternative right away. So the next thing you want to do is to look for this website, realfavicongenerator.net, and then let's go there. And here you have a website. Now this website or this web-based tool is gonna generate the favicon on any website for you, and I'm not going to use a different website from what I've used before. Okay, let me show you with this website one more time. So I'm going to copy the URL of this website and come back to this place. You have this section which says check your favicon, and what you want to do here is to put the address of the website you want to use here. So I am going to put this there, all right, and then click on check favicon. Let's go. If you are here watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, one of the ways you can support me is actually to click on the subscribe button and also to hit the notification bell so that you will know immediately I upload a new video on this channel. Thank you very much for taking action on it. So we already have our favicon loaded up on our screen. All right. The next thing you want to do now is to see this very first option that is being displayed. You can see the first line which has this image, then HTTPS, blah blah blah. Okay, and I want to disregard this thing right here. It may not be useful regarding its size. Okay, so you want to highlight on this and then copy the link, or you can better still right click and go to this place. It is going to open in another tab. Can you see? Here is the favicon one more time, and the next thing you want to do is to save the image once again. So I'm saving it, and now you have it again. So if I want to open it to show you, and now one difference you can see is that the first one we got on our screen has 100 by 100 pixels. Look at this one, it has 300 by 300 pixels. Okay, it seems this one has a larger size than the other one. So if I click on, okay, if I click on this right now, I'm gonna get it opened, right? So here is a favicon one more time. So guys, you have come to the end of this video, and I hope this is a very useful video for you if you are a developer, or you are a designer, or you are into the creative world. So if you have watched this video and you enjoyed everything, kindly go to the comment section and tell me the particular method that you prefer to use. If it is the extension, right, I prefer using extension, and if it is by using our favicon generator, type it there and tell me that you prefer using real favicon generator. And that brings us to the end of this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, I like you to check out this video that is popping up on your screen right now. I think you need to watch this video next. I am going to see you on my channel next time. Thank you.